Hey guys, welcome back to
Mommy,
my channel.
I don't want night-night.
No?
I want to watch it dirty.
Look at Kayla's hands. She was playing with a marker and she just drew all over her hands. But
I want to watch her hands.
so if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join my YouTube family and turn on your notifications. We're going to give you guys a grocery haul. So we got a small watermelon.
Bum, 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 bum.
A 18 pack of eggs. I did get a packet of bistec, but I did it with cebolla because Kylie wanted that right now, so that's why I'm not going to show you that one. But I did show a little, I'm going to show you guys a little clip of when I was making food. So I got this new scent. I've never seen this one before. I've always gotten the pepino one, so now they have this apple pop, and it smells so good. Kayla!
Moco, look.
¿Tienes un moco?
Hold it.
¿Tienes un moco? Cochina. I got 2 of these juices. It's the mango punch. Kayla loves it and Kaide loves them too. I did pass by before going to Food Max. I went to Dollar General, so I got the 4-pack of the toilet paper, and then give me the paper towels. And then I got the towels because the paper towels there because they're like, I don't know, they're more like the towels don't feel like because when I get them from Food Max, they're like very thin, so this ones are thicker. So I got this one from Dollar General. I passed by to the gasoline and I got some chips for myself before going to all this. So I got these. The kids got an icy. I put gas in my car. I washed my car, all that. The kids got these. It's the fruit punch, I think. Tropical punch. Got un papel. I didn't get waters because I still have a lot of waters because last week when I went, I didn't notice that I had like half of the packet. So when I brought the new one, I didn't use it until probably like yesterday. I barely started using it, so I still have lots of water.
Don't need that one big.
This one. So I got, what is this, Kayla?
Tomato.
Tomatoes. So I got some tomatoes, some jitomates. I got some apples. Apples. ¿Y este qué es? Cebolla. Some onion. I got 4, but I used 1 right now for the carne with cebolla. I got some lemons. And then I got lime because I'm going to make tilapia ceviche this week because it's going to be super, super hot. And I'm going to make carne apache. Carne apache, if you have never tried that, let me know. It's very good. I'm going to show you guys. I'll probably vlog when I do that. But it's very good. I like it, and it reminds me of Kaide's sister that passed away. So she would always make it when we would go to Mexico. So I've been wanting some lately. So I got the carne molida for that. What else, Kayla? The kids wanted these mini corn dogs. So we got this packet.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, Mommy, try it.
I like them too. I got some mozzarella cheese.
Bobby, like it?
Yeah, I think he does too. And some, I believe these are peaches peaches. And then I got some tilapia for the ceviche. Some strawberries is a must. One of these, I don't know, it's the natural one, and then one of the blue ones for the kids, the yacules. Does your kids like those? They're very good. I got some clamato for when I do the ceviche if I need it. And then I got the shampoo and the conditioner of the strawberry and cream. I just love this. And it's 79 cents at Food Max. So I got 79 cents each. It smells good.
Good.
Sounds good.
Good.
Yeah, 79 cents.
Smell the juice.
I already smelled it. The other juice. And then I got some caramel macchiato creamer because you know it's a must.
Coffee.
I would tell them.
Coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee, okay. Give me the last 2 bags. It's super hot. Dang. Did you squish your feet? Ay, 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 Kayla.
I'm too hard.
Kayla, ¿cuál es tu favorita canción ahorita? What song?
Party,
Party, party, party, party, party.
Mommy, I want to
I was listening to from Bad Bunny the song that says tú no eres bebecita, tú eres bebesota, and she was like, Mommy, I like this song.
I too, son.
Yeah, so she loves Bad Bunny. I got a pineapple. I got this raspberry thing to make like agua. I haven't found Kai's tortillas there at Food Max that he likes, the harina one, so I just got these. What else, Kayla? I got 6 packets of these baby wipes. It's a must. You know it's a must. I got some grapes, green ones. And then, what else? I got some nopales. Nopales is a must. We love nopales. I got 4 pepinos for when I make the ceviche. Got me my coffee. What is this, KK?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Make 3.
I still have whipping cream, topping, that thing. If I need more, I'll just go to the store. Got some bananas. I've been using olive oil lately, so using this. I got a big packet of jamon. Kyle loves this ham. It's really good. I got jaiba for the ceviche. And then Kyle loves this pepper jack cheese for like quesadillas. I got cilantro is a must too. No, Kayla. I got some buttery flavored non-stick cooking spray for when I make waffles for the kids. The one I have is almost, it's like about to finish, so that's why I had to get some more. I got some sausage links. Kids love them. But okay, you know, this is a must. This is my sweet tooth all the time, and the kids love them too, so for $3.50, that's a good deal. I got some serranos. And give me the other bag, baby. The other baby. I already showed them. Yeah, more wipies. The other one, baby. Ow, my knees hurt. If you guys would know how I set up to make this vlog, or this this vlog every time I record for like the groceries, my knees hurt. I need to buy like a little pillow I can put on my knees when I do this. Ow, my knees hurt. But yeah, I took a shower last night and I just washed my body today, but my hair needed to be washed. So this is how my hair looks. I don't know, I'm loving my hair short. The only thing I hate that I've always wet a lot right here. So right now it being short, it's just like right here. And I can feel it. But yeah, it's so smooth and soft. And then I put the purple shampoo, so I don't know if you can notice it's a little lighter here. And I just did my everyday makeup, but you can't really notice because I'm super red right now and oily because of it being so hot here in California. The last thing I did get, let me show you guys real quick. I'm over here like gabbing. The last things I did get was bread, the Bimbo one. It's really good. And then I got tostadas for when I make both of the things, the ceviche and the carne apache. And then I got some hot dog bread because I know Gordo's not gonna want the ceviche or the carne apache for sure. Look at this big old receipt. I spent $188. Wait, baby, wait. Wait.
Me.
Yeah, because the meat that I I got was the original price, the carne, like the bistec. It was $19.26, but it had like a coupon for $4 off. So that's why they took it off. But yeah, I spent this. You see, but yeah. So I'm just gonna give you guys a before and after, and then I'll just show you guys everything. See you guys. I bought some meat right now, para asar with some cebolla. So this is how the fridge looks right now. I've been drinking lots of water, so today I barely drink a soda after the whole week, but yeah. I still have a little bit of this thing, but I still need more. I didn't buy more veggies because of like the mixed veggies, because we still have some here, and the sausages I didn't buy none. Gordo hasn't been really liking blueberries now that he goes to school, so I don't know if he got like tired of it. Milk I still have. Eggs, well, I only had like 2 left. Tortillas of those I did have. That's what I have here. This is what I have over here. I'm gonna clean it out. And then I went to Dollar Tree the other day when I went. I got a bag of ice and I put it in here. So, oh, another thing that we did get was these lollipops for the kids, the ice cream. They wanted these this week, so we got those. And I can't show you guys Kayla because she took off her shirt. But yeah, I cleaned out everything that didn't work here, so I don't have to do that right now. But I have to put all this away. Mm-hmm.